Whispered secrets in my ear, silent shadows drawing in near. Underneath the midnight glow, where the wild roses grow. Dancing footsteps, soft and slow. Ooh, tales untold that none should know. Through the fog